Urologist, mix garlic with this part of the egg for 6 hours of non-stop power. Gentlemen, what if I told you that two of the most ordinary foods sitting in your kitchen right now, foods you've probably walked past thousands of times without giving them much thought, when prepared in a very specific way and combined correctly, could create a natural preparation so effective for male stamina and circulation that it supports sustained energy and performance for as long as 6 full hours? And before you immediately dismiss that as exaggerated, unrealistic, or too good to be true, I want you to understand something important right from the beginning. I'm not talking about a quick boost. I'm not talking about a short-lived surge that fades just as fast as it appears. And I'm certainly not talking about forcing the body into an artificial response. I'm talking about sustained internal support that works with your body over several hours. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, a urologist and men's vitality coach with over a decade of experience helping men restore circulation, performance, and confidence naturally, especially as they age. Before we go any further, let me ask you something quickly. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. You'll be surprised how many men are going through the same thing. And if men's health and confidence matter to you, make sure you're subscribed. This channel talks about the real issues most men are never told. Now, what if I explained that this exact combination has quietly existed within traditional medical systems for centuries, long before modern supplements, advertising campaigns, or pharmaceutical solutions ever existed? Yet only now is modern science beginning to clearly understand why it works so remarkably well? That alone should make you pause. Because when ancient practices and modern research begin pointing in the same direction, it's rarely coincidence. It usually means something real has been happening all along, even if it hasn't been explained clearly or correctly. Today, I'm going to walk you through a very specific preparation that combines raw garlic with one particular part of the egg. And when these two ingredients are used together correctly, they create a synergistic effect that most men have never experienced. Not because it doesn't work, but because no one ever takes the time to explain how or why it works. Now, I want to slow down here for a moment, because this part matters. This isn't about garlic by itself, and it's not about eggs on their own. Most men hear about one ingredient, try it briefly, notice a mild improvement, and then assume that's as good as it gets. They think, I already eat eggs, or I've tried garlic before, and they move on. But what actually matters here isn't the individual ingredients. It's how they interact inside the body when they're paired correctly. Because when these two foods are combined in the right way, they support nitric oxide production, enhance blood flow, sustain cellular energy, and help create the hormonal and metabolic conditions required for hours of reliable performance, not minutes. And that 6-hour window I mentioned earlier is not exaggeration, and it's not marketing language. It comes from the way nutrients and bioactive compounds are released gradually when these ingredients are prepared properly and consumed at the right time. In other words, the body isn't being forced into a response. It's being supplied with what it needs to function optimally. That distinction matters more than most men realize. We're talking about a natural approach that can produce effects comparable to pharmaceutical options, but instead of overriding the body's signals, it supports the very systems responsible for stamina, circulation, and responsiveness in the first place. This is why some men feel strong initially, but fade quickly, while others seem to maintain energy and capability for much longer periods. The difference isn't age, it isn't motivation, and it isn't desire. The difference is internal support. So stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to show you exactly which part of the egg matters, why pairing it with garlic changes how the body responds, the precise preparation method that makes this combination effective instead of useless, and the optimal timing for consumption. And I want you to understand something else as well. This isn't just about performance. This is about confidence. It's about reliability. It's about knowing your body isn't quietly working against you. Many men assume decline is inevitable. It isn't. Before I reveal which part of the egg we're using, it's important to understand what actually limits stamina and sustained performance in most men. Because until you understand the limitation, the solution never fully makes sense. Sustained male performance requires several physiological systems working together continuously, not just one system doing all the work. You need strong, consistent blood flow to the appropriate tissues, not a short surge that fades quickly. You need efficient energy production at the cellular level so function can be maintained over extended periods without that familiar drop-off so many men experience. You need proper nervous system signaling and hormonal support to maintain responsiveness and desire. And you need the cardiovascular capacity to sustain increased circulation without early fatigue. When even one of these systems becomes the weak link, stamina suffers. And this is where many men get confused. Some men notice they can achieve an initial response, but they can't sustain it. Others feel drained sooner than they should, even when interest and motivation are still there. Some men feel mentally ready, but their body simply doesn't follow through. And others find that their heart and circulatory system simply can't maintain increased demand for very long, no matter how much they want it to. The garlic and egg combination I'm about to explain addresses all of these limitations at the same time through different but complementary mechanisms. That's why the effects are comprehensive and sustained rather than brief, unreliable, or superficial. Now let me explain which part of the egg delivers these benefits when combined with garlic. The part I'm referring to is the egg yolk, specifically raw egg yolk from high-quality pastured eggs. And before you dismiss this as outdated, unsafe, or unnecessary, it's important to understand that many of the most valuable compounds in egg yolks are destroyed or significantly reduced by cooking. For this specific application, raw yolk is essential. Egg yolks are nutritional powerhouses. They contain an extraordinary range of compounds that directly support male stamina, vitality, and endurance. One of the most important of these compounds is cholesterol. Cholesterol has been unfairly demonized for decades, but it is absolutely required for hormone production. Testosterone is synthesized directly from cholesterol, and when intake is too low, hormone levels can quietly suffer, especially in men who have followed low-fat diets for many years without realizing the long-term impact. Raw egg yolks also contain phospholipids, including phosphatidylcholine and phosphatidylserine, which support healthy cell membranes throughout the body. Cells involved in hormone production, nerve signaling, and energy metabolism all depend on these membranes functioning properly. When membranes are compromised, signals weaken, responses slow, and efficiency drops. These phospholipids provide the structural foundation for optimal cellular performance. Egg yolks are also one of the richest natural sources of choline, a nutrient most men don't consume in sufficient amounts. Choline is required to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a critical role in nerve signaling, arousal, and sustained physical response. Without adequate acetylcholine, the neural component of performance weakens significantly, even if blood flow and hormone levels appear normal. The B vitamins found in egg yolks, particularly B12, folate, and B6, are essential for energy metabolism and stamina. These vitamins are involved in converting food into usable cellular energy. When B vitamin levels are low, energy production drops, fatigue sets in earlier, and endurance suffers. Raw egg yolks also contain CoQ10, a compound required for mitochondrial function and sustained energy production. Your mitochondria are the power plants of your cells, and CoQ10 is essential for their ability to generate energy efficiently. Higher availability supports steady energy output rather than short bursts followed by crashes. Egg yolks also supply fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, all of which play important roles in hormonal health, immune function, and overall vitality. Vitamin D directly influences testosterone production. Vitamin E protects cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin A supports the health of reproductive tissues. Egg yolks also contain zinc and selenium in highly bioavailable forms. Both minerals are essential for testosterone production, reproductive health, and overall vitality. Now let me explain why garlic is such a powerful complement to raw egg yolk. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it forms a sulfur compound called allicin. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive smell and many of its most potent health benefits. Allowing crushed garlic to sit for about 10 minutes before consumption maximizes allicin formation. These sulfur compounds significantly enhance nitric oxide production through multiple pathways. They increase nitric oxide synthesis and protect existing nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. In practical terms, this means blood vessels stay relaxed and open longer instead of tightening prematurely. Garlic also provides powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant protection for the endothelial cells lining blood vessels. When these cells are healthy, they produce more nitric oxide and respond more effectively to circulation signals. Research shows garlic improves arterial flexibility, which is essential for sustained blood flow rather than short-lived surges. Garlic also supports healthy testosterone levels by protecting hormone-producing cells and influencing signaling pathways involved in hormone production. Its cardiovascular benefits are extensive, supporting blood pressure regulation, circulation, cholesterol balance, and overall vascular health. Garlic also influences energy metabolism, complementing the CoQ10 found in egg yolks for comprehensive, sustained energy support. And before we move on to the exact preparation steps, I want to quickly mention something I've created that ties directly into what we're talking about here. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a practical guide designed for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, circulation, testosterone, and intimacy naturally. Inside, I break down the same strategies I use in my own practice, including a curated list of foods to eat and avoid, plus specific intimacy meals that support blood flow, spark desire, and strengthen connection. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. It's the next step if you want to move beyond one-off tips and actually build lasting vitality. Now, to create the full synergistic effect, preparation matters. Start with fresh, high-quality garlic cloves. Organic is preferable when possible. Crush the garlic thoroughly to break the cell walls and allow allicin formation to begin. Let the crushed garlic sit for approximately 10 minutes. While the garlic rests, separate the yolk from a fresh pastured egg. Place the raw yolk into a small bowl. Once the garlic has rested, mix it thoroughly into the yolk until the mixture is evenly combined. Some men add a small amount of raw honey or fresh lemon juice. This can improve taste and may enhance absorption, but it's optional. Some practitioners also allow the mixture to sit briefly before consuming, allowing further interaction between the compounds. Timing is critical. For optimal results, consume this mixture about 90 minutes to 2 hours before peak performance is desired. Taking it on an empty or lightly fed stomach improves absorption and effectiveness. Many men report noticeable increases in energy, improved circulation, and a sense of sustained readiness that lasts 4 to 6 hours. With regular use, baseline energy, stamina, and hormonal balance often improve over time. Safety matters. Use fresh eggs from reputable sources. Consider pasteurized eggs if preferred. Start with smaller amounts of garlic if you're sensitive. If you're taking medications or have underlying health conditions, consult a professional before regular use. Before we wrap up, I want to share something many of my viewers ask me. What natural supplements actually deliver real results for men's health? After reviewing the research and testing what truly works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural formulas, backed by science, and chosen to work together for maximum results. I've linked them in the description and pinned comment if you want to take a closer look. And remember, this channel is a space where men support each other. Share your age and where you're watching from below. As men age, this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks. Take care of your health, take care of your confidence, and I'll see you in the next video.